All right, so the trunk was pretty well stuck, but I just got it unstuck.
Well, we also didn't have a key for the latch, so we couldn't unlock it from the outside.
Yeah, I had to crawl in there, as you saw, and undo the latch.
It looks like we've got an old school jack. Pretty well seized up. I don't think that works anymore.
It's fine. There's the old tire well for the spare tire. It's pretty dark in here. A lot of tire chains.
What is this? Oh, gas tank.
Yeah.
Steak. There. And there's like, that's a fire extinguisher or something.
Got a nice lug wrench here. Some good chains and some hooks. Nice. We were really hoping the fender skirts would be in here, but no luck. Nope, it's nothing. So the original tires that we had, well, the original wheels that were on the car, I think we will turn into a spare and stick in here. Cool. Oh, okay, you're good.
washed the car, put linseed oil on it. It's been a couple days, so it doesn't look clean right now. There's ash all over from the fire. Unfortunately, there was a little bit of an accident. He crashed the car into the house. Okay, so we got the car running, right? And we wanted to see if it moved under its own power. We are well aware they have brakes, and I tried to roll it out of the garage and it kind of got away from me. And there's a post right here on the house and crashed right into the post. As you saw, it kind of bowed the bumper out and put a ding in the grill, which we can fix. But well, we right now we pulled the bumper off so we can straighten it and take out the dings. But we'll put that back on. I think we can fix it. And then we also converted the charging system to 12 volts. So we took the generator off, we put a new alternator on, changed the coil, and I think that's it. Changed the condenser, and that's about it. So now the battery charges with an alternator. All we have to do for that is just change out the lights so we don't blow them out. Other than that, I think that's all we did. Right now, all we have left to do to get it road ready is pretty much the brakes, and we'll be doing that next. So stay tuned for that. See you then.